In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the sources or reference sources that ChatGPT got the information it gave you. We can do this exactly from ChatGPT. So I went ahead and asked ChatGPT to list for me a number of top AI platforms, of which ChatGPT went ahead and did well. However, if you like to know the sources ChatGPT obtained this information, then all you need to do is to go down here, and then you'll see this feature called sources. If you tap on this, ChatGPT will list all the sources it obtained this information from. So let's go ahead and tap on it. And immediately you tapped on it, you'll see there is a window that will be opened on the right hand side, displaying all the reference sources that this data was obtained from. And you can go ahead, tap on each and every one of them. If you tap on it, it will just open in a new tab, so you don't have to worry about getting out of ChatGPT. Now, once you're done, all you need to do is to close this window here, and it will disappear. But any other time, should you need to get the source again, you can still come here and tap on the source, and the window will open. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.